Alright guys, so today is another day. We're working on a 12 Nissan Juke, and the customer complains that he died out on him. And here's the reason why. Pulley on the alternator came off. So that's that. So now we got a new alternator, we're gonna replace it. I already took this hose off. This hose goes in there like that. It has two clamps, one here, one there. Take that off. I took this one just to get a little bit more wiggle room. Then you have your positive on the back, and then you have a plug, this plug that goes on the alternator. Then you got 213s sticking out this on the bracket, and then you have the hose, that hose right there that goes from here to here to the intake, from the turbo to the intercooler. And then you have the alternator. I already loosened everything up, and it's a little bit of a pain, so now we just gotta wiggle and play with it and make it happen so it comes out. And it should come out through here. I tried removing this cross member, but for some reason it's impossible without taking the bumper, and I'm not trying to take the bumper. I loosened up a little bit of the headlights and stuff to be able to make it happen, but that didn't work. So yeah, let me take it out, and as soon as I take it out, I'll let you guys know how we did it. Alright, keep it posted. Alright guys, so we finally got it out. It took a little bit. You gotta twist it and jam it, so the alternator on this bracket sits like that. Okay? So after you loosen it up in there, what you want to do is you want to twist it, and you want to put it like this. Okay, actually like this. And this hole here, you want the AC line to go in between. Okay? And then you're gonna bring it up, and then after you bring this up, you're gonna start just twisting over so it will totally come out. They had to cut this little plastic piece that goes here. I cut it just a little bit so it will make some room for me to pull that off. But yeah, it's finally out. So now we just gotta put the new one back in, and before putting it in all the way, you gotta present the lower bolt into the alternator, because other than that it doesn't go in once the alternator is in place. But yeah, that's how you do it. And there's no damage to the intercooler or nothing like that. So yeah, fits like this. Put the brackets up sideways with the pulley facing this way, and then I start placing it up. And then the way I'm going to put it back in is going to be the same way. So again, and that's all alternator. Goes in like that. Take it off, twist it, facing like this, and this brackets, they go in between the hose, and then you twist it until it comes out. So that's how you do it. Alright, so let me put the new one in, and I'll let you know if it's going to go in the same way, but I'm pretty sure it's going to go in. Oh, and I did loosen up that bracket right here so I can get some freedom on that pipe. Should be able to go. So alright, keep it tuned. Alright guys, it's back into place. We just gotta twist it and play with it. So the same way that it sits right now is basically the same way that it kind of came out. So, but you do have to use a pry bar on the back end to kind of push the intercooler out a little bit, and the hose, so it will keep on going in deeper, and then it goes in. So yeah, that's almost the same way that I took it out. Actually, the same way this hose here was just jammed here in between, and then it kind of worked in the body, and then this one will just pry in this way. That way it will kind of twist and then go over the lip here and this. So going down is the same process. It's just that you have to use a pry bar just to be able to kind of give it some push power to the intercooler, so it will go in deeper into the point that it actually falls in. So yeah, so now just gotta twist it into position, put the bottom bolt in, because it doesn't fit once it's in the bracket to put in. The other one does come out, but yeah, let's do that and then go to the next step. Alright guys, so everything is back together. I'm still how to do the diagram on the belt. Pretty much this is bolt on, everything is bolt on. For the love of God, whenever you're gonna put that nut back on or remove it, don't drop anything inside this pipe, because if not, you're definitely gonna have to take out the intercooler. And but yeah, so everything else that I took off extra, I already put back on. Still gotta put the wiper thing, the neck, the fill neck for the wiper tank. Still gotta put this bracket on, but I'm gonna do that after I put the belt, just because I want to have that little extra room there. And yeah, so all I'm missing is put the belt on and put the top holes here back on, and everything should be good to give it a start. So let me get that done and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so she's all ready. Put the pipes back together, the bolts, the bell, the belts, the chain and neck. For your attention, it's a 14mm hand. So you gotta get it from the bottom to be able to tense out. I tried the tool, and the tool doesn't really do anything. So that, so she's ready to go. And she's charging. So yeah, so that's how to do an alternator on the juke without having to remove the bumper. No bumper needed to be removed to be able to get the job done. You gotta be patient, move a few things around, and you're good to go. And alternator is starting. Alright guys, let's go with share, like, subscribe, help me help you. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to answer everybody. Alright guys, till the next time.